The exercise in futility continues. But here it is once again. If you're out there and you see this message and you're at the end of your rope and you want to stop boozing and become a better person, then here's something you can try. And I can help you do it. It's called music. This is Mixer's Log number 37. Lean Bear. The song is called Passing Through. This is a remake. One of the first recordings I did when I got back into home recording after I stopped boozing about 9 months ago. Yeah, 9 months ago. Okay, I'm just going to play it, and then this will go into the new tutorial playlist, Building a Song, Passing Through. Okay, without further ado, here goes. I am going to install Meter. I want to see what it looks like on Meter. Air Windows, Meter. All right. It's looking okay on the spectrum analyzer. Some minor issues, but nothing I can't figure out. All right. Let's see. There we go. Well, did you see those red spikes? Overslew spikes. I don't like those. That's what I thought I was going to see. So, this is anyone who might one day follow the tutorial series, Building a Song. Those red spikes are called overslew spikes. I'll offer a better explanation. I'll offer an explanation in the next tutorial installment. But this is what I do to nip those in the bud, although they're quite beyond being buds. It's called Air Windows Air 4 with ratio at 1. Although there's another way, there's more than one way to skin this cat, but that's the easiest way for right now. Okay. And span after Meter. All right. We're starting again. Meter. Too bright. Well, I think some mad phase issues going on with those vocals. There's baritone vocal, tenor vocal, harmony vocal. So that's probably not sounding too good in mono. Let's see, in the third verse, when that bass part starts getting real busy, I think there's some issues down in the subs. And okay, so anyone who ever follows the tutorial playlist, building a song, passing through, this is an update to in the last installment I composed the bass line, and then I went back through and did it up. Largely with the mouse, as I showed you how to do. And I did the same thing with the Contact Synth. You can see that it's, before it was just the bottom line of blips, and now you can see everything that's going on above it and the rise towards the, through the third verse into the outro. I retract the tenor, the main melody. I retract the harmony. My voice just turned out to be like good and strong tonight. Probably going to retract the baritone part. I may do that after I get up in a few hours, see how the voice is doing. What else? Okay, so you saw, I'll explain about Overslew. I don't want this to go on too long. This one I'm really not in the mood. But I'll explain that later. Overslew is just excessive brightness that tends to be abrasive to the ear, or if not abrasive, it can lead to ear fatigue, brain fatigue even. Meter, if you don't know about meter, I'll be explaining more about meter later. Air windows meter. More about air windows in general. Haven't used any air windows plugins so far, though probably will be. Going to be adding at least one more synth part. Going to be adding some guitar work, although not chords. It'll be solos, maybe solos, or if not solos, then kind of like atmospheric flourishes. But in terms of arrangement, not too many more parts. I think this song already has a nice build with the parts that are already in the arrangement. I don't want to crowd this arrangement, this mix. So, good progress so far. Got some issues that we're going to be looking at. And, that's it for now. From lovely, scenic Paju City, Republic of Korea, known amongst the Koreans as Daehanminguk. I am Lean Bear. It's 4:23 a.m., and I'm thinking about making one more short video before I turn in. I haven't decided whether or not to do it. I'm kind of feeling rather cantankerous right now with YouTube. Okay, enough. See you on the flip side. Over and out.